Hello everyone!
Hey!
Happy holidays!
Yeah, happy holidays everybody!
Yeah, such a big year to us and we wish you have a nice holiday too. And this video, we just want to share about Korea because we like Samsung. So in this video, we went to Samsung store.
Yeah.
And before we went to the Samsung store, we had some breakfast. And then we want to show you after we went to Samsung store, we did some shopping and for clothing.
Yeah. Such a cool day, and you know, kind of on this cold, snowy day here where we are. Looking back at it, it's so beautiful. The weather and everything.
Summer.
Yeah, it's hard to believe it's winter already, and there's snow outside of our window. But yeah, you know, this Samsung store, it's the Flagship store for Samsung in Korea. It's in Hongdae.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. So we hope you will like it. Then enjoy the video.
Yeah, we'll see you afterwards. This is with coffee. Alright, so what are we having for breakfast?
Coffee and bread, honey butter bread.
Honey butter bread.
Chocolate layer cake.
Chocolate layer cake. Let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is it good?
Very creamy. As you know, with the Americano, it's perfect.
Very nice.
You want to try?
I'd love to.
You see, it's not the last cake like we got it. It's very firm, cream, and not as sweet.
Almost like dark chocolate.
It is dark chocolate too.
My
I like
favorite.
it.
I love it. Right. So today we are going to be need to go to the Samsung store and pick up a few new things. So really looking forward to that too. Oh yeah, and sanitizing.
Oh, it's about 10 minutes.
So what did we pick up at the Samsung store?
We got the earbuds.
Let's
The
see
new
'em.
one.
Galaxy Buds 2. So you got the lavender? Nice. And what color did I get?
I want the both.
Yeah, I got the olive.
No.
She wants them both. And this is the Samsung store in Hongdae. If you're ever here, I love this store. It's really amazing.
And we cannot get a cell phone and a watch. They need a reservation for 3 weeks long.
Yeah, so we were gonna get the Z Flip 3 and the Watch 4, but yeah, you have to wait 3 weeks. They're completely sold out.
I really want to give him one today, especially the Z Flex 3. Unfortunately.
It's okay. We'll get it eventually. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You see these phones everywhere in Korea, the foldable phones.
Yeah, it's pretty popular, the Z Flex 3.
Yeah.
Not the other one.
Yeah, the Z Fold I've seen a few times, but I see the Z Flip 3 a lot.
Yeah. Girls, guys, they all go for the Z Flex 3 more.
Yeah, the one that folds this way.
Yeah. I like them both.
Yeah, me too.
It's difficult to choose. If I don't want to change my phone,
Oh,
I don't know which one I want. I like them both.
yeah, same. right, hey everyone, and welcome back. Yeah, so the video was pretty wild. I remember that day. We didn't really touch on it, but we were both rocking these Adidas outfits in the video. We actually went to the Adidas store in Hongdae the night before and bought those.
And I remember there's 2 Adidas stores in Hongdae. It's crazy.
Yeah, they had these awesome like G-Dragon. He was in the advertisements for Adidas. I haven't seen G-Dragon in a long time, especially since his military service. So it's good seeing him in some advertisements again. But anyway, that wasn't in the video, so let's talk about what was.
Yeah. I do want to talk about the toast. We haven't talked in the video.
Yeah.
Because either we forgot or whatever. But it was really good.
It was so good we didn't even film it. We just like inhaled
just
it.
keep eating.
Yeah.
Can't stop eating.
Yeah.
It's so good. I wish I can make some home here.
Yeah. This was like our first time noticing that honey butter bread exists, and trust me, you'll see more of it in videos to come, but
yeah,
it's so good.
It was, and because we went to so many different coffee shops here, and like this kind of honey bread, almost every coffee shop they have their own, and we can tell they're trying to be creative. They put their own signature on that, so we love to try them.
Yeah, this shop specifically, it was honey, cinnamon, and this kind of sweet cream on the bread. Very thick bread, and this place cut it for you into 9 pieces. It's so good.
Yeah, like make you feel it's very convenient to eat, even though they're thick. But it's awesome. It was awesome.
Absolutely. Yeah, Yajing and I really love that.
Yeah. Actually, we like the bread more than the cake, the chocolate cake.
Yeah, the chocolate cake was good. You know, we showed you Yajing eating it. I had a bite of hers too. But once we tried that honey butter bread, it was over with.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So it was very good. Please let us know how you like the Galaxy Buds Chew. Because we do really like it, and if you have a Samsung cell phone, it's more convenient to you to use it, and this is the newest they have, right?
Yeah, they just came out when we got there.
Yeah, and also in the video, I want to get him the newest folded Samsung cell phone.
Yeah. It's
3 weeks.
Yeah.
You have to make the reservation 3 weeks ahead.
Yeah.
So we don't have such time back to there, but we really want to have it.
Yeah, it was so nice of her. She tried to surprise me, and we went there, and she spoke with the sales guy, and he said, "Oh, you can't buy that," and we were like, "What?"
Yeah.
It's the Z Flip, the foldable phones. I know in America they're not that popular, but really, so many people had foldable phones in Korea while we were there.
Everywhere you go, you see people use them. Yeah, and there's another product we cannot get in Samsung store back to Korea is the watch.
Yeah. Well, it is time to give presents in a couple of days, but I can't say what it's going to be. But yeah, you can buy a lot of things.
No, also 3 weeks ahead, you have to book your reservation for that.
Yeah.
This is crazy too.
Yeah, I feel like we got lucky that we could get the Galaxy Buds too. But I really like them, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. I know some people really love Apple headphones, some people really love the Beats headphones, which I know are also Apple headphones, but yeah, I've had 3 different kinds of the Samsung headphones. This is her second pair.
Yeah.
And they're a huge improvement over the first one.
Yeah. They fit much better. Yeah. And so for this Samsung store, we went back so many times.
You'll see more of it.
Yeah, we really like the store, and we do have some of the products from Samsung. So we spend a lot of time over there. So how about the shopping?
Yeah, so we just got to show you a snippet of shopping, and I'm happy we could actually show you some shots of just walking around Hongdae as well. Hongdae is a really kind of magical part of Seoul for me. You know, I've spent a lot of time there in my youth, and yeah, I always try to make it a point to go back to Hongdae. But we just so happened to stay in Hongdae for
very convenient,
quite a while.
Yeah, and shopping was the big part of our travel, right?
Yeah.
We shop everywhere, so but clothes, really, we bought so many clothes, and it really took a lot of the space from our suitcases. It was crazy, but I love it.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you remember one of our first videos. I'll throw a card up, but we were in quarantine in Korea and kind of telling you what was really important to bring to quarantine. And we mentioned that we didn't bring like pots because we were saving room in our luggage. Yeah, Jing and I both went to Korea with 2 suitcases, and basically 1 suitcase each for us was empty, and we wound up actually having to buy another suitcase while we were over there, basically filling up 3 suitcases with things. So yeah, we did a lot of shopping there, and you just seeing a snippet of it today. There's a lot more to come.
We bought so many things, not just clothes. But it was very great time.
Yeah, and there's just something so nice about the weather in Korea. It's definitely kind of humid in Korea, a very tropical feeling almost, and I really enjoyed every moment of it, and we hope you did too. Please let us know what you thought in the comments. We're so curious. And
and also I just feel like right now to watch this video, it make me miss summer. You know, wear the dress, not long sleeves, short sleeves, and everything. When the cold comes, you miss the summer.
Definitely.
Yes. So we really want to know if you like our video. So please comment below and let us know, and we will see you next time.
Yeah, happy holidays everyone. We hope you have a great holiday season.
Yay!
See you soon.